So we got TTWO to go along with this. As long as it stays green for the day.
Oh yeah, read it. Okay.
AMD looks like a short right at the open, but it's at the 20, so I'm going to wait for it to get underneath the 20 if I'm going to short it. Also, it's inside day. Okay. AMC's might be
I think I'm shorting Shopify.
Shopify, is that outside day, inside day? Let's see.
It's
SHLP.
kind of an outside at the moment, but it's a downtrend on the daily.
Yeah, it looks good. Let's wait for that pullback. Maybe we'll get it. FLO, okay, sure. Coins gapping up, Meta gapping down. Oh, CBRL just triggered. Okay. Ooh, DOCS, DOCS. Wow, look at that. That wasn't a nice thing to see. Let's see. Thinking about taking DXC long. It's above the 8, above the 20, above the VWAP. Okay. Flow, FLO, that's a nice gap down, FLO. So just need to find a pullback to VWAP here on this one. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take Doc's long. DOCS. You see that huge bottoming tail that I put in?
Yeah.
That's a good sign for more upside potential. It's just gotta break the high. 29. Gotta break the high. 29. I can go along on this. And then TTWL could go long over the high as well, 155. I'm going to put an order here in to break the high of Docs.
Walmart is coming back down.
Is Walmart an inside day or outside day?
Inside day, actually.
Okay, I'm not going to trade it. I got to stick to my rules. Okay, FLO is working pretty good.
FLO?
Yeah, it's a wide range bar.
Yeah.
So I Al Brooks styled into that. And then here comes AMD for the long. AMD, we'll see. Over the high, pre-market high. There we go, AMD.
AMD. Oops, going up.
Okay, bought it. Okay. AMD. That's a long over the high. Let's see how far we can go. My DX, whatever is working. The DXC, that's going up. It's a nice long. Let's see what else is going to trigger here. NVO. NVO. That looks good. NVO. NVO. Could be a short. Got to take out 31. 131. 34. 131, 34. Okay. There we go. All right. Got an order in there. This DX. D is going up. Thinking we get up to about, let's see, where's that pre-market level? Oh, we're at that level right now. We're actually at that level. That's interesting. I could take a partial here, but I'm just going to let it ride. It's either, you know. Okay, AMD's coming. Have to go in this short eventually. We'll see. It's also inside, so this is the problem now. I am experiencing that inside day phenomena, kind of.
Still above the VWAP. Oh, sharp trigger me a short.
Shop. Oh yes, right. 3-bar play on shop. Give it lots of room.
Yeah.
Nice. CBRL. Okay, CBRL. CBRL. Okay, that's still waiting for that to trigger. AMAT. AMAT. That's above the moving averages, so nothing to do yet there. NDL. GME has a short. GME is going to trigger in a second. I'll try this. Underneath this this low right here. Gotta wait for it to get underneath 20 prior low. Okay. Do the GME, right? TA?
Yeah.
Take a look. GME looks good as well.
Okay. Trigger.
Yeah. Also, I'm still on that DX something. GME.
DXC.
Yeah, I'm still in that long. Letting each 5-minute bar just go, you know. Still in this AMD, unfortunately.
I thought you go with the direction of the
cap. But I went with the direction of the moving averages. So you're right. Actually, I should have not even done that one. Now that I think about it.
Okay.
It worked, but I guess I should. Yeah, I should have gone with the direction of the.
So we flip this AMD. This stop us.
If it breaks underneath this moving this green bar, probably could be a flip. Hasn't done it yet. Keep in mind, you know these. Remember, we've seen charts where they look like they're gonna.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nasty on us, and then it doesn't, right?
Right.
So just giving it time. Maybe this next bar will pop up. If not, I definitely think not a bad idea. Maybe to a short.
Yeah.
Looks like it's going to short.
Now flow, do I add to this or should I just keep it like this?
Oh, GME triggered. There we go. Which one?
FLO?
Yeah, add underneath the 3-bar play. I think that's fine as long as you give yourself still high of day as the stop loss or something. I'm moving my stop loss on shop down a little bit now. Looks like AMD is gonna be a short.
I guess so. Just trigger.
There we go. Gotta do it. All right, let's see if we can get some follow through this time.
Why did not allow me to?
What's up?
GME doesn't allow me to enter.
To add?
Yeah.
And then if DXC gets underneath this 5-minute bar, I'll get out of my long. Yeah, it looks like FLO is going to keep going. Hopefully, keeps breaking through. I think I'm going to get out of DXC underneath this 5-minute.
Oh, Reddit triggered me in.
Oh, okay, let's see. Reddit. RDDT. Oh, you're right. You're right. Let's do that. RDDT. Now your stop should be below the low of day. If you end up stopping out underneath that previous bar, then you're basically probably going to be sorry, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, FLO good. Keep holding it. Okay, awesome. I love that this NVO bounced here because I've been wanting to take this short. And stop needs a retracement. And hopefully it can do that. So now on FLO, I would put my stop above this red bar's high because that's a wide range bar. The wide range bars are good places to put your stop loss. You know, good spot. DXD. Oh, the CBRL is working a little bit better. Oh. I think it could. Oh, here's that pullback that we need on shop.
Yeah.
So the pullback up, see if we can get that rejection. Get up to the VWAP maybe.
Oh, NVAX. NVAX an inside day, but has a level 2 going down.
Interesting.
Yeah. They go GameStop.
Yep, GameStop could add, but I'm not going to add too soon. All right, so we got the pullback on shop. Let's see if shop can reject off of this VWAP right here on the next few bars. Give us a setup to the downside, that VWAP rejection we like.
I don't even know what my entry is at. My average entry on shop is.
Yeah, shop stop should be high of day. And that would be a $10 loss. That gets high of day, but I can stop out any time earlier.
CBRL could be enter.
Which one?
CBRL.
PBRL. Okay.
This could trigger the
RL.
could be an open range breakdown there.
PBRL. Oh, I can't find anything with PBRL.
CBRL.
Oh, CB. Oh, yes. Yes, that's good. That's funny. I'm actually in the trade.
Yeah. So you long or short?
Short.
Okay.
Yeah. Still in this DX to the long side. Letting it do its thing. Didn't stop out yet. Good. AMD's working.
Yeah, unfortunately, I wasn't able to get in because I guess George Schwab decided that since I'm below the PDT,
Oh,
yeah, so I'm like, oh no, sorry, buddy, you can't get in anymore.
oh crap. Okay.
So even though I just transferred them like $40 in, it didn't let me.
Yeah.
Well, pain in the
Well,
butt.
Charles Schwab, I noticed, had weird buying power issues yesterday with me. So every time it would trade, it was treating my account like a cash account. So if I exited a trade, it would basically use up that buying power and say like all that buying power is used up. And I was like, what? Like, no, cash account should be settled instantaneously. Margin account versus a cash account is the buying power is used up. You know what I'm saying? Um, so I was really like kind of weirded out. So I went on their Twitter and I saw that other people had similar issues. They were saying that like, what's the deal? Like I'm trading and I'm in a margin account and you guys are, giving me weird ass, like strange things and stuff like that. And I was like, oh, interesting.
Check out CHWY is outside day now.
Oh, okay.
Looks good to
Well, I think we need to trade AMAT.
Amen.
Yeah, I just gotta wait for it to get. Oh, it's an inside day as well.
It's an engulfing day.
Yeah.
UPST look like a good short on that level 2 to the downside outside day.
Okay, let me take a look. UPST. Let me take a look. UPST. UPST. Yes, that is good. Unfortunately, going right into the moving average, but I still think the pattern is good. So
Yeah, I mean, there's room to the downside.
yeah, looks great. Looks great. Okay, look at shop now, right?
Yeah.
In that VWAP rejection, possibly the eighth current coming over the price. So we shall see if this ends up becoming the short.
Yeah.
I'm getting out of DXC now. Could short it underneath the 16 support. It'll be under $16. So I'm lowering my stop loss on GME to above this red bar's high now, based off of the recent price action, how things are going.
Yeah, it had a 20 right now on the daily.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Shop hasn't triggered yet. So I might have to wait for this to trigger. looks like it's not triggering. Right? Looks like it's trying to go higher. But we'll see. Give it one more candle. I'm getting out of GME now. Above that prior bar's high. There we go. So it's not going down. It's fine.
It's at the 20 on the daily, so I'm thinking that potential
Yes,
buy.
exactly. I'm thinking the same thing.
I'm out of shop for now.
Yeah,
It's above
shop
the
looks
VWAP.
like it's heading to a higher dimension.
Yeah.
I think shop's heading to maybe the 20. So that's very interesting how that's happening. FLO coming up to the VWAP now.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
I mean, with shop, technically we should have stay in it until it actually stop us out on the high, right?
Yeah, I mean technically it's still red for the day, but I don't think it's a bad idea to you can cut your loss in half, you know, if it's just not working, and then re-enter later at better location. So the better location may be up at this 20 if it sets up there. Otherwise, yeah, I think shop is basically trying to go long. Still could be a failure later on, you know. Gets back down underneath the VWAP.
Yeah.
Let's see, what else do we got going on here? We've got CB. That looks like a long. CB. Triggering over the high of day. Kind of too many bars in a row for me to get in, but I'll wait for a secondary entry and maybe.
Maybe GameStop just back us out.
Yeah, it could. I mean, that's the problem with you know, being really close and stingy with the stop losses.
Yeah.
I'm adding to this CBRL.
Nice.
Now that I got the low of daybreak. Let's see what shop does. If shop gets over the 20 and goes sideways for a while, maybe it's a long. Reddit looks good still for higher. It's going sideways now. It's, you know, let me put a RDDT. Put a stop over the an entry over the high.
Let me add to this Reddit. If Josh
Yeah, I got an entry over the high right there.
Freaking hell.
CBRL good, looking good.
Well, Reddit didn't allow me to add. So I'm sad.
Not yet, yeah. Here comes an FLO ad, maybe.
Yeah. If I,
There's the VWAP rejection.
yeah.
Okay, I'm adding a little bit on that.
Too bad I cannot add.
Oh yeah, because it won't. Because the buying power or
I already transfer my money. Then you. Only 40
That's
bucks.
annoying.
Come on.
Another thing we could do is we could go back to simulator trading. On Thinkorswim they have simulator,
What's the
and you
point?
can set it up to have real time too.
That's
So you can trade even though you're trading with fake money. You can have that simulator. Now, should I go long? Oh, AMAT, looking good for a short right here.
Wow, Reddit looks good.
Yeah, that looks good. GME looks good for a long.
Maybe only this break the high day.
Yep.
Me?
Exactly. It's got to be green for the day, right?
Yeah.
See, you got it. You got the idea.
Yeah, man.
Oh, look at AMD. Our AMD is cooking.
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not in it, but yeah, very nice.
But it's good to see how basically stop this out. Okay, fine. And then it's a lot, and then that failure ends up taking the thing down a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we're getting into some moving averages here.
UPSD, you can add to it.
UPST?
Yeah.
Let me take a look. UPST. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's not far away from the VWAP. I also think AMD is not a good stock to hold. Reason being, it is an outside. That's an inside day.
Yeah, you can reduce your share size, take partial.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking basically just coming down to the close.
I'm thinking down to 163. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at sharp. If we kept the stop at the high, we'd be still in it.
Still in it, yeah. Yeah. Okay, UPST triggered me in.
Oh, Reddit stopped me out.
Okay, let me take a look. Reddit. Am I gonna have to change? Oh, wow. The rejection.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now, see, this is where I think judgment is really important. Like, for instance, if you took in the long, right, your stop is at the low of day, right?
Yeah.
You can, as the stock continues to create levels, now you can move your stop loss a little higher. So you don't have to take a full $10 loss on this.
Yeah.
If you sized it accordingly, you would only take a smaller loss now.
Yeah.
Because you're using a, it's like you're getting out kind of like in between the stop loss and the area, because you can see, hey, something's not right.
Yeah.
So here's shock. Let's see what shock does. If shock gives us a level 1 to the downside here, this will be above the VWAP, which usually doesn't lead to the best. But look at now it's trying to go higher.
JD is an upside day.
Which one?
JD.
JD is an outside day?
Yeah.
Look at Baba.
At the top.
Yeah, JD and Baba, yeah. We just need to find an entry on JD. Maybe 3-bar play, maybe first pullback to the moving average.
Maybe you say F, just go in. Just go in.
Oh yeah, you could do it, Al Brooks.
Yeah.
Give yourself a really wide stop loss. But
Market
yeah,
looks like it's gonna go down.
certainly does.
Okay, so FLO is going against me now.
Yeah, FLO was probably there would have been the exit on the remaining shares because of the pivot. See how you got to, you know, get the level 1 and then it went against the level 1. So it's a good place to get out.
Yeah, when this candle finished, if it's above the VWAP when it's done on the
yeah, definitely. I still think this is a short wherever you find it because it's look at how big of a red day it's having.
Yeah.
But it depends on where you're putting your stop loss. Like let's say you said, I don't put my stop loss all the way at 25. I think you'd be pretty safe.
Yeah. And yes, we're wrong on Shopify, huh?
Well, you know, not technically we weren't wrong because we didn't get in. We didn't get in that short on the VWAP rejection, right? I just did the 3-bar play and then got out over that single bar when it came back up. But the VWAP rejection, it never triggered. So that's really important. It's like the, you know.
Yeah.
Make sure. So now we can look maybe for a long. We got to wait till see if it does, you know, pull back. This is a nice little, you know. This DXC looks better now. And FLO still looks pretty good. Yeah, AMD, of course, right where, you know. GME, nothing to do with it yet. CBRL, still looking good for more downside. FLO looking good as well for more downside. Just got to wait for that, you know. Wait for that thing to trigger.
Alright, look like maybe FLO is a VWAP rejection.
Yeah, exactly. I think you're right.
Yeah, if this thing allow me to add, I would have added, but nope, not adding. Can't do anything. I'm stuck in the FLO until I get out.
Oh crap.
That's my only trade I have left. Because I
Yeah,
cannot enter a trade.
I like it. I like it. Looks good for a more downside move.
Yeah. Oh, Reddit coming back up. Interesting.
Which one?
Reddit?
Oh, Reddit. Okay. And then this. See, there you go. If your stop was at the low of day, no problem, right?
Yeah, but if it's going back up to the high, you can re-enter. I think it's more confirmation.
Yeah. Here's GME level 1 at the VWAP. Could take this short.
Yeah, put the stop at the high.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the stop
Now
at the
this
high.
is not the greatest of a level 1, because remember how we talked about we want the VWAP rejections to be when the price has moved away from the opening range,
Yeah.
not inside the opening range.
Yeah. Could be just a good, like flow is a better rejection than GME, right?
Whereas which one you said, Fro?
Yeah.
Flow, yeah, Flow's better because Flow has Flow moved. You see the violence in Flow, that wide range bar, right, to the downside,
Yeah.
and then the rejection off the VWAP is a better location than where GME is rejecting just inside its range. So
Yeah.
really, your targets are going to be very, very sparse.
Yeah. But FLO might have to close red, otherwise it can be choppy.
Yeah. I think it is going to be choppy, but the thing is, do I think it's going to take out the this wick over here? I think it could, but I don't think it's going to go green for the day. I don't think it'll take out the high of day or anything. If anything, just basically, right? The way I look at it is like, okay, so when the market makers, when they figure out what direction the price is going, right, they need to then accumulate shares
Mm-hmm.
to accommodate for that price direction. So what they're going to do is they're going to try to stop the price from moving in that direction for a little bit and create some sort of uncertainty by creating like kind of, level 3s and chop and this and that until they can accumulate enough shares to where when they're when they've got the price and they've gotten all the shares that they need, they can now let the price go where it needs to go without interfering, and they can actually make money on that trade. But my stop on RDDT is still at the high to go long, so we'll see.
Yeah. Well, it looks like FLO not going through.
Yeah. NVO had a nice VWAP rejection. You see that? But inside the range as well.
Mm.
Okay, I'm going to add to CVRL. Hopefully get a little bit more of a move down.
Alright, so this FLO is above the VWAP now.
Above the VWAP, yep. Let's see, we got
GME want to come back down, huh?
yeah.
Wow, Baba.
Is it still going up?
Yeah.
I knew it. Damn it. Why didn't I take the easy trade?
Same with JD. Easy trade too.
The outside day yeah, single, simple.
This shop may be a long now.
Let's see, shot. Yeah, it's above the moving averages now, so we'll see.
Alright, that's all DDT. Could be a long.
Yeah, hopefully it triggers me in. We'll see.
Oh, you can get back into GameStop?
Underneath the low, yeah, I'll do that.
You can go in small and then act underneath the low.
It's true. Yeah, it doesn't hurt, right? Going small. I'm thinking this UPST, I might produce my stop loss now on UPST here.
Yeah, you stop to be above that pivot, above the VWAP.
Yeah.
From like around 2550-ish. That should be where you stop.
Exactly.
Kind of annoying that
DBRL working. That's nice. Oh, here's a long idea on TTWO. We'll see. I like it. Let's see if we can get above the VWAP here. I don't like that it's inside this range though. Okay. What stocks in my name? DBRL still going down. Move my stop loss a little lower in the trade.
Trading with this wide range stop is such a relaxing.
Yeah, right. It allows you to just let the bars do their thing.
Yeah.
You know, it can go against you a little bit as long as it doesn't take out certain levels, key levels. That's that's important. I'm gonna add to FLO, sorry, my bad, FLO. I'm adding. See the level ones that are forming every time?
Which one?
Starting to get.
Yeah, FLO getting into choppy zone.
Yeah. So far, my best trade is CBRL. And then NVO, I'm going to put an order for that, NVO. NVO. That looks good. That looks nice. If you can get underneath the low, that'd be really nice. Thinking the CBRL might be done a little bit. But I'm not getting out, just producing one bar after the next.
It's going very slow.
Yeah. There's a UPST coming back up to the VWAP here. So this might be the short that we need on UPST. We'll see. Looks like shop is going higher. This DX whatever I think could be a short, but it's above the VWAP, so gonna wait for it to break below. FLO looking good. I think I want to eventually add again if I get another setup. AMD was a good exit. Look at that. Woo! Inside days, man.
Yeah.
Just basically a range. That's basically what inside days are. I think that the most edge you have on an inside day is playing just the bottoms and tops of ranges. Up, CBRL. Looks like, yeah. Now what I can do is I can scan for additional gaps. So I go over to my personal thing, scan for gaps. And I can see.
Did it trigger you in?
Oh, it did. Trigger me in.
Nice.
RDDT. Let's see how that's going. Yep. Trigger me in. Oh, okay. Let's see. I'm gonna put my stop loss in here now that it's in. Put it below the VWAP.
This FLO is above the 8 moving average now. Not looking good.
Yeah, not looking good, but we'll see. Still red for the day, so that's good.
Yeah.
UPST looking better. Pulling back up to the VWAP right here. So let's go take a look at UPST.
Okay.
Okay, so here's this will be the thing if it works. We'll see. UPST could work.
GameStop has a kind of a level 2 going.
Yeah. It looks like it. Once it gets underneath that low, I'll take it.
I don't know about taking that one though, because on the daily it's at the 20.
That's true.
Or the 8, I don't know, wait, let me see.
Yeah, no, you're right. You're right.
Oh yeah, the 20. I mean, it could just shut down because it looks so there, it's like selling off.
Yeah. CBRL looks more lower.
Go flow, I wish I have a way to add.
Yeah.
Stupid Charles Schwab.
CBRL. Okay, GameStop looking better. Underneath the low. 2014. Let's see. Okay, and then UPST triggering. Gonna trigger a level 1. Oh, not yet. GameStop coming to the lows. FLO is working. UPST. What else do we got? JD, we're going to look for a pullback long on JD.
Same with Baba.
Yeah. Come on, FLO, keep going.
Yeah, GameStop looking good.
Yeah, she's got to get under 2014. And then maybe that sell-off will happen. Now look what happens with Shop. Shop is probably just going to chop back and forth.
Ah, yeah. It's
Yeah.
kind of inside yesterday's range now.
Yep. And then let's see what else we got. Flow looking good. AMAT going up strong.
There go Baba.
Let's see, Baba. Yeah. Looks like Reddit is a piece of crap.
I guess so. You could just stay in that range all day.
Yeah. All right, so I'm out of CBRL.
Okay.
I think CBRL now probably comes back up to VWAP. So that's what I'm thinking where it goes next. I think to 49 could be a good, maybe area. We'll see. Kind of want to try this AMAT short right here at the 20 and VWAP. I might try this short right here, this AMAT. Looks like a decent fallback, retracement. And then only problem is the moving averages are below it now. Here's a level 1 at UPST. And that's off of the VWAP. Yeah. Okay, UPST triggered a level 1. Ah, UPST, there we go. Level 1.
Yep. This is kind of good, yeah.
This is a good place as well for a stop loss because you're right at the VWAP, right at the 20. So if it gets back above there, you're not just stopping out in random spot.
Yeah.
Probably will have to stop out on UPST. I'm going to give it a little bit of of the 20 here.
Yeah, 20 is catching up right there, so the only thing
Yeah.
that it's above the 8, so that's why it's choppy now.
Exactly. Yeah. All right. I'm all out of Reddit. Came back down underneath the VWAP. So
Yeah, okay.
didn't like the way that looked. Oh.
Potential level 2, level 3 on GameStop.
Yep. Looking better. Got to break below that area.
Yeah.
Kind of like the idea of going long on this TTWO as well, if it triggers. Hasn't done it yet, but I love the potential squeeze here. All right, DP. All right, brother. Well, this is good. UPST. You know. Up. We'll see.
Set your stop loss and look away.
Yeah. Yeah, my stop loss in there. I'm just letting it do its thing.
Baidu could be a short because it's kind of Baidu's inside day. Kind of break the high, but could be a new high failure and then come back down to the VWAP.
Yeah. Now, on FLO, right, you see how it's going sideways? We know that we need to get out over this pivot, 24, but I think it's going to go up there again, hit the 20.
Yeah. 20 is catching up, so
Yeah.
just moving my stops kind of slowly.
Wow, read it. Underneath the 20 now. But just for a split second, it's not anything to worry about too much. As far as should I short it or anything, there's no shorts. FLO is trying to go back up. We'll see what happens when it hits that 20. Again, I think it's going to hit the 20 one more time. It'll be interesting. Oh. DOCS. That looks like a gap up that is changing is red. It's red for the day. So DOCS. DOCS. It is a red day.
It's been red the whole day.
Yeah. Been red, and it's really, I had a buy stop to go long over the high 29, but it's not showing that strength. So I think actually it's triggering a level 3 now. So it is a short.
Into the 20.
Yeah, short into the 20. Yeah, back down to 27. Because it's red for the day, so you know. I mean, that's why UPST hasn't stopped me out yet. That's what I'm trying to get at. It's like when it's red for the day, oh man, you know, then you have a higher odds. I guess it's like this. It's a lot harder for if something's red for the day and you short. It's a lot harder for the market makers to take the stock and bring it all the way to green for the day, right? It's a lot easier for them to, if something's green for the day already and you take a short on it, it's easier for them to just continue the green moves because it's green for the day. You know, it's like it's already got a bullish sentiment. All they have to do is raise the price a little bit. Everyone comes running. I got a entry on this NVO still, and it won't tag me in yet. It's a good place where I got out on CBRL. See that? That was the bottom for right now. I'm thinking 20 period moving average could be the next short on CBRL.
Yeah.
Here's Reddit bouncing off the 20 period moving average. We could take this long right here. Bounce off the 20.
This FLO is forming a level 2.
Oh, good. Yeah, I can add to it again. You know, just as time goes on, you know, you just get more. It's like patience. You know, the
Oh,
patience shows.
my thought on Baidu is correct.
Your platform what?
My thought on Baidu, I thought it might be topping up right there.
Yeah, yeah.
It's correct. Hopefully come down to the VWAP like I thought it would.
Baidu. What did you do? Did you short an uptrend?
Yes, in my head.
Okay, not bad. At least you took it at level one, and you're trying to get back down to the 20. That's
Yeah.
you know, but yeah, I mean, these are the types of things that I think when we start doing this type of stuff,
Hmm.
we are, you know, we're giving ourselves a hard time because we're doing too many different strategies.
Yeah.
Shorting an uptrend, going long of this, going against this, trying to. I mean, there's too many
Oh,
variety.
GME,
Yep,
GameStop.
GME. There we go. Let's see if we can get this move down. There we go. Nice move on GME. Put my buy stop above that candle for a little bit. Reddit coming back up. I don't like this pullback on Reddit, even though it's a legit level one pullback to the 20-year moving average. The reason why I don't like it is it's not even above the opening price still. You know, it's not above the opening price. So that's something to just keep mindful of. It may work, but honestly, it'd be better if this pullback was above the opening range, not inside the opening range. It's just not the greatest. And just like that, I'm out of GME break even. So, you know, it moved up a little bit, gave me a little bit of move. That was nice. Come on, docs. Now, the cool thing about this GME, right? So GME, if this is a breakdown failure, a true breakdown failure, GME will then turn green for the day. And then we can look for a long because it'll be above all the moving averages and stuff. And that'd be pretty nice.
Oh, Baidu hit my target.
Nice. Wow.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. Good job on that.
Thank you. If I could have take it.
Yeah, totally. Well, Doc is working for me.
Look
Going
like this
going
FLO
almost
might not work out after all.
putting my stop loss on DocuSign above this bar. Okay. Yeah, FLO coming near the 20. Let's see
Yeah.
if it breaks over the 20 and goes higher, or if we can short at the 20 again. This one, this what is it called? CBRL coming back up. I think it's trying to hit to the 20 here. I'm willing to short it again. I think this could be a good trade. Docs, I put my stop above the previous bar's high, so hopefully it doesn't take me out. And look at that level 1 on Reddit. Didn't really work very well. It's inside all that trap, all the people that are trapped inside there want to get out if they can. Oh, Meta just triggered a wide range igniting bar. We'll see what happens when it hits the 20. I mean, when it DB. Oh, okay. Okay. So
CBRL.
DBRL triggered a level 1 at the 20. I think you'd have to put your stop loss a lot higher than this. I think it needs to go up above VWAP to really avoid getting stopped out. Because you don't have time frame alignment, you know?
Yeah.
So here's the bar coming up into the 20 on FLO. So let's see if the next bar gets stuffed. That'd be a pretty good sign. And a decent place to jump in more. Right now, still not looking so good. Docs is working for me. Trying to hold on to this trade. See if it breaks the 20 here. Would be nice. And what else do we got going on here? We got DBRL looks the best so far. NVO never triggered me in, so I'm going to go and cancel that trade. NVO, I had a short for the low of day. It's going sideways, coming back up. Let me cancel this. Okay, cancel that order.
Like shop is coming back down.
Shop.
Right. Come on, FLO.
Yeah. There we go. Getting a nice move on CBRL. Let's aim at one more time here. 101. Ah, GME, not a true breakout failure yet. Look at, you see?
Mm-hmm.
So there you go. It has to get above that pivot for it to be a breakout failure, and so far it's not. TTWO looking good.
Looks like Baba and JD are pulling back.
Mm-hmm. Oh, crap.
It might be stop our FLO and done for the day.
Yeah, looks like it. Coming back over that 20.
Yeah. Pretty much getting out like break even.
Yeah. Now this probably is a breakout failure too, which sucks, you know, because yeah. Still not giving up on FLO just yet. We got one bar breaking the 20. I understand that happens.
Yeah, I know. Well, it hasn't reached my stop yet. I'm putting my my stop coming above 50 cents. That way, it's an actual round number.
Mm-hmm. Good idea.
But so far, doesn't look promising.
Nope. Nope. Looks kind of like a squeeze here, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Not a very nice
It's
thing to see.
above all the moving average.
Yeah, I probably should get out after this bar. We got one more minute. The next bar will basically tell us if that's a breakout failure or if that's, you know, a legit. All right. Well, see what happens next bar. Is he gonna pull back? Still in this DOCS. working. I think CBRL might be done for the day. We had that level 1 pull back, hit the 8, bounces back up. So that's a get out of the trade pretty much. But the cool thing about this is if it goes sideways for a little bit, it could form a level 3 and then shoot down. Okay, FLO, we might be saved.
Yeah,
this
we'll
could
see.
be the top. Yeah.
We'll see. It has a special sauce going.
Yeah. Okay. And if it gets back under the 20, I think we could basically add back in. Because now we have that. Oh, wow. VKTX. We missed that one. VKTX.
Yeah.
VKTX. Dang. Okay. That looks nice.
Nice.
Breaking back. I guess we could, let's see, how could we go into this? A little late. Could Al Brooks this with a small amount of shares. Okay, I'm going to do an Al Brooks on VKTX to the downside. And put my stop loss above the previous high. Okay, all right. I think I just got taken out of DOC on that 5-minute new high there. That might be the low. We'll see. Ooh, I like this FLO here. Yeah, this is nice. I like that. Try to go higher 12. Could look next, if the next bar goes lower, I think could look to add. Looks like UPST is trying to make it as a green day now, from red to green here. So that's interesting. Wow, squeeze on UPST.
Nice special sauce on FLO.
Yep, yep. Or just wait for the bar to finish and then short the next bar, you know?
Yeah.
Let's see here. Trying to go up. Okay. Let's see. I also like this CBRL still. Got a lot of support. Okay. Okay, all right. Okay. Got a place to add on VKTX here. That's interesting.
Oh, UPSD is turning green for the day.
What's up?
UPSD is turning green for the day.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's turning green. Yeah, so now we can look for longs on this, and see if we can capture a move. Hopefully it doesn't.
Go long now and put a stop above the low day.
No, I feel like that's tricky. Well, go long and put your stop below the low of the day?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You could definitely do that. A wide range stop, for sure. Or you could go long and put your stop below the wide range bar here. That's not a bad place. That's VWAP, wide range bar. If it gets back below the VWAP, that wouldn't be very good, right?
Yeah.
So I kind of like that. GME coming back down to my original entry. Okay. If GME gets below the low of the day, could be a good short. I'm going to move my stop loss on VKTX right here. Let's see. DXC. Oh, DXC. Look at how strong that one is. Staying strong, staying above the moving averages. Yeah. D.
You know what one stock is so strong today?
Which one?
YMM.
YMM. Okay, let me take a look. YMM. YMM. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and it has no 5-minute bar yet.
Yep.
So when this does trigger, it probably will be a nice short, but yeah, it's a bar by bar. You could actually out-Brooks this, knowing that, knowing that it's getting close to reversal time, but it wouldn't be a bad long of it, continue. Okay. All right. So here's the true test on CB. Oh, take notice of something very interesting. So UPST, right? That VWAP play that we did, the first VWAP rejection, that 8-period moving average was underneath price.
Yep.
Right? When we've seen the good ones, it's always above price. So that's the first part that kind of sucks. Second part is after it goes sideways for a bit and it pops over the 20, it sets up a red bar over the 20. That's the long right there. You see what I'm saying? So there are clues that tell us like this isn't the highest odds. Like one, the 20.
It's also the daily.
Yeah, the daily chart. Yeah.
Because the daily, the 20 was below it, so
yeah.
I thought it might go down all the way to there, but I guess it's not.
Yeah. Okay, so CBRL coming up to VWAP now. This was the second area I wanted to possibly do a short on. It hasn't triggered me yet. GTWO giving me another entry here, level 1. No, that's not good. It's too shallow. I'll just move my stop loss above that pivot.
Free ball play on FLO.
FLO. Oh, you're right. You are right. It's just got to get down underneath that pivot. That's where I want to see it.
Yeah.
Underneath 2416. I'm only adding to the stocks that are just working for me, you know? It's just really important about that. So just add a little bit. Oh, CB. Remember earlier we talked about that long? That was a pretty nice
CB.
Yeah, CB had a nice pullback to the VWAP and bounced.
Oh. Yeah.
So this is why I didn't go long on UPST, just because we had a bar. I want to get a better, you know, a better trade.
Now it's
FLO
ready.
looking.
Now UPST is ready again.
Yeah. You know, it's kind of similar to how when we see a 5 minute turns green, then it turns red, and then it turns green, and it's not done until until it's done. The 5 minutes done, so it's like the daily chart is going back and forth, like red, green, red, green. You know what? It's similar to this. When you see a wide range red bar forming, right? And it's it's about 2 minutes and 30 seconds in. What are the chances of that wide range bar turning into a green bar? It starts becoming very little, you know? And I think the same thing goes for a daily chart. It's like, what are the chances of that wide range green bar turning into a red bar? Probably very slim. Let's see here. Oh, wow. I got out right on the perfect spot on DOCS, DOCS.
Nice.
Yeah. And then I'm thinking about CBRL shorting this.
You see what is happening with this FLO? Jeez.
Yeah, right? Trying to concentrate on less stocks today as well. Hopefully that helps. Not like going crazy, so like I haven't taken that YMM, even though I want to go long on it. Oh. DXC. Okay.
This FLO is getting choppy. No three ball play.
Yeah, it's got to get under that pivot, or else it's still.
Yeah.
Crisscrossing back and forth. If it gets underneath the pivot, that'd be beautiful when it happens. I like this CBRL short. off the VWAP right here. We'll see what happens if it hangs around. AMD looks like it's strong again, back up. It's still red for the day, but it's forming some sort of levels here. What's going on with this CB? I've been missing this one all day long. CB. Yeah, I should have kept an eye on that one. That's nice. Broke over the high of yesterday. Is outside day, formed a level 2 at the top.
Yeah.
And then it's going. So that's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice move.
There's no reason to try to short YMM, huh?
Yeah, probably not. Let's see here. YMM. No reason. FLO working. That's nice. FLO.
Ooh, FLO coming back down. 4-ball play.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad.
Yeah.
GME truly does look like a bottom, doesn't it? Keeps getting bottoms and then popping up, but we'll see.
Like going sideways, I guess.
Yeah.
I guess on the daily, it could bounce right there.
Yeah. Looking at this DCX, thinking green day, is it gonna be? Look at the 15-minute time frame here. Okay. Above the VWAP. That's not good. Okay, GME trying to bounce again at the 20. Can it do it this time? Can it get over the 20 and hold? Or will it fail again? Yeah, it kind of looks like it's trying to break over the 20. FLO looks great. NVO is going back down. Oh, Meta has a level 1 right here. Up into the 8 and the 20, so that could work. So GME bouncing back at the 20, holds it. I think eventually, though, the 20. I wonder what what this DXM is going to do. It's above. You know, DXC might be a long. It might be a long. Let's try. GME is trying to bounce up through. Look at that. Little short squeeze happening. I wonder if we can make it all the way to the VWAP this time. 2150 maybe? Yeah, it kind of looks like they're letting it go a little higher here. Nice. Here's DXC. Totally held that VWAP.
You know that DOCS.
DOCX, yeah. You know, it's got the level 1 there, but the moving average, the other moving average is underneath it. It's a little bit, let's see, DOCS. Is that what you said? DOCS, right?
Yeah.
Let's see here. DOCS. Yeah, it looks pretty good. There's CB.
Keep going now.
Yep, here's CB. We got to go in long, breaking over the high. This could be a new high failure, so I'm going in with smaller shares. But it's breaking that level, so maybe it'll head up to, I don't know, 18 today or something. You know, the whole, I mean, I never tried to short this once. I've just been thinking long the entire day because it's above the moving averages. So we'll see. AMAT kind of looks good for a short. Forming a level 3 right here. It would be underneath, yeah, underneath this level. Let's see. NVO still going for me. DBRL giving me a little bit of a pain. AMAT over under 20. So UPSD pulling back now. That's good. GME tried to break. Couldn't do it just yet.
Oh, UPSC coming back down. Very interesting.
Which one?
UPST. Oh, YMM could be topping up.
YMM. YMM. Let me see. YMM. Ah, you're right. You're right. It's got the level.
Yeah.
It triggered. Yeah, looks good.
AMAT coming down.
Yeah.
AMAT coming down.
Oh, that's good. I just got triggered into AMAT, so hopefully it keeps going this time.
I'm thinking, I guess this FLO is a DWAP breakdown failure.
Yeah.
Not going anywhere.
Let's see if AMAT went anywhere after I got in. Okay, let's see if AMAT can get to the low now. Got the CBRL is not looking great, looking more bullish than it is bearish now, with its pattern above the 20, above the 8. But I'm counting on it to do a double top and roll back over. So hopefully get that nice move. Okay. Okay. YMM hopefully keeps going a little bit. The FLO looking better.
YMM hit the 8, probably good to take a partial.
On YMM?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Just a partial, you don't need to take it out, you know. Ooh.
I'm not going to even take a partial. I'm just going to move my stop loss to break even now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just going to see, because, right, like if we were trading this with the chart, we would only get out if it either goes to break even. I guess we could take a partial at the chart, but also we know where our
Yeah.
come on. guess I'm getting stopped out of CBRL. Dang it. And did that nice VWAP rejection trade. But it was above the 8, but it was above the 20, so there you go. That's how it works. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop loss in YM. And a little lower. 10. All right. Aha! Come on.
Wow. Nice. That's like 3 off.
There we go. Moving it down a little bit lower now.
Another good place to take a partial. Oh.
Alright. Still not gonna take it.
Flow. I think flow is not gonna respect it. It's probably gonna go back up now.
Yeah. There goes YMN.
Think go down to the 20.
I'm hoping.
Okay, I guess once flow stop me out, I'll call it a day.
Yeah. Well, flow is above the 8 and above the 20 now, but it's got that pivot to deal with at 24.50.
Yeah.
So that's the area. If it can't get through there, 24.50. All right. GME still going down. Just very choppy. I like this NVO thing right here. Hopefully we can get through the low. Keep dropping here. What happened to my AMAT? Okay, AMAT. Stars. Honestly, I think every time FLO comes up to these pivots,
Yeah.
I think these are where the professional sellers are coming in and
Yes,
into their shorts, you know? I mean, could you imagine someone that, yeah, I could see that NVO is working. Almost thinking about taking a short on CB, but that's
I
not
know
mine.
it's not a good shot.
No.
That previous candle is a green bar. I prefer if it's a red bar.
Yep. And I think CBRL is trying to break back up to the high of day here.
Yeah.
And then basically it'll do a new high failure and then, fall down, but
Yeah.
crazy. AMD, oh wow, look at back down.
I know.
SMCI back down. Interesting. YMM probably gonna bounce here, right?
Probably. Do the 2-minute trailing.
Yep.
Shopify has a level 2 now.
Let me take a look. Shopify. Oh, another time we missed VKTX to the short. Okay, yeah. That's a level 2. I see that.
Right after DWAP.
Also, keep in mind, Shopify is triggering a level 2, but it's inside all that range now.
Yeah.
From earlier to the left.
Not the best.
Yeah. Whereas, look at VKTX. That was like the best right there, and I missed it, but yeah, that would have been really nice.
Look at Baidu is putting in like a level now, accumulating buy or sell it.
Oh, okay. Baidu, let me see. Baidu. BRDU. Interesting, yeah. Look at FLO, right? So you think, I can't.
Yeah.
What happens? Freaking sellers come right back in every time. And these types of things cause the stock to have so much supply that when it finally drops later in the day, it finally can get going.
Yeah.
That's all it's doing is just creating supply. The pockets of supply, and eventually either one side will win, but my guess is the sellers will win because that's the one who dominated in the morning. You never know.
Yeah, see that CB?
Yeah, right back up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, not a good level 1 to short there, not at all. Not like YMM.
YMM, what do you think about a bounce like that? Out of 20?
Yeah, I think it's a good idea. I think the first level 1 that you get off of a climactic usually doesn't move. So I'd give it a secondary signal. So I want to see it trigger the level 1, and then I'll wait for a secondary entry and exit. That's just something Sammy taught me. He always said first buy setup off of a climactic play has trap traders. So he said just avoid taking the first entry. But then again, I feel like listening to that now, I think to myself, why not take the first entry with just a wide stop loss?
It's true.
There's nothing, there's nothing wrong with it. You know where your stop loss should be underneath the VWAP. You take it long, and if it fails, you get stopped out at the VWAP rather than just the tiny little 1 bar, Hey, Fifi. Let's see here. Just in the trailing session. Uh-huh. Well, YMM is still going down, I guess.
Might be choppy area too. With a Tony right there.
Yeah. Oh. All right. NVO is working for me pretty good. I took that low of day break just now.
Yeah.
And it's still going a little bit, so that's nice.
Nice.
Triggering, it's giving some wide range bars now though, so it lets me think that maybe this could be the bottom and then it pulls back, does a, something else, and then looks good though. Looks very nice. ETWO. FLO looking better for, continuation.
Yeah. Not go down fast enough there.
No, very slow.
Probably can do a 3-ball play now on the hourly chart. But see it come down a little bit more.
Yeah. What DXC? Wow, still going up. Okay. Almost at the moving average now. 20. Very nice, very nice. What's going on with AMAT? What? AMAT. AMAT. I thought I had a stop loss in place. Oh, that's bullshit. What the heck? How did that happen? I went in short on AMAT, and I was looking at my P&L, and I was down on it. The stock was going down, and then it said I was long shares. So I have no idea what that was about. That was weird. That's weird. Okay. 25, okay.
Wow, you think YMM can come down to VWAP?
I think so. Yeah, YMM down to VWAP for the 12 midday VWAP trade. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, I think it's trying to bust through here to the VWAP. That'll probably be a nice long off the VWAP when it triggers. Probably go in with a small amount and then add, and hopefully get a nice move back up. Ugh. I think NVO might be done to the downside for a little bit now, getting the bottoming tail in the 5 minute. And then interesting. This CBRL really wants to bounce here at the moving average. Baidu, like you mentioned, looks like a short.
Yeah, wow, JD pulled back. That's amazing.
Yeah. Look at this HTHT. Interesting. Could be a, decent short.
Why you want to short it when it's above the VWAP?
Oh, not now. No, I'm just saying, I guess, yeah, when it gets down. Yeah, I'd have to break underneath the VWAP. Actually, let me take a look at something on my chart.
Even when it's below the VWAP, I don't even think it's a good short. It's right at the 8 on the daily.
Where is it? Oh, you're right. And it's still green for the day.
Yeah.
That's not good. Yeah, definitely don't want
to
short something that's still green for the day. Although, oof, FL looking better and better.
Yeah.
I like it. Okay, here's the YMM possible long right here. See it pop one time. All right, all right. There we go. So I'm going to take the first NVO short when it pulls back up. Maybe we'll see. Let's see how far it pulls back up. Obviously, that's the key. But looks good.
Okay.
Stops. I'm going to go to okay. All right, that's good to know. Oh, Hood is up today. See, Hood had a nice level 1 off the 8-period moving average right there. That was beautiful. All right, so here's YMM. That's great right here.
Wow.
Get back down to the VWAP. That'll be my 12 o'clock midday VWAP trade. But I'm supposed to only take it on the 15. So let me make sure I have the 15-minute charts. I'm not watching this 5-minute getting sucked into anything. Okay. All right. 15. Let's see if we can get this 15-minute to trigger. Change these things around. Starbucks. Wow. What's going on with that? SBUX. SBUX is going up.
Wow.
Jeez, okay. Breaking the pivot today. Looks like the bottom was.
I mean, look at the dailies. That's beautiful.
Yeah, great level 1. Outside day. Was there any? Let's see. Was there any good entrances on this? Probably up. Yeah, I see a little level. Sorry, level 2, and then starting to go climactic now. But I think it's going to 79 today. That'd be very interesting. Where that 20-period moving averages. Yeah. Interesting, huh? JD pulled back pretty hard. Baba pulled back pretty hard. They're at the place, it's around the time where you would take the VWAP trade on the 15. So I'll keep those on a watch for 15-minute level 1 off the VWAP. NXE as well. NXE is right at the VWAP as well. That's interesting. I'm gonna get taken out of TTO probably in a second right here. All that. Yeah. Starbucks, I almost wanted to jump in there as a Al Brooks. Interesting. GME is still going sideways. Interesting. Does not want to go higher today. Almost looks like another short on GME. GME. Yeah, trading sideways. Well, could be a stage one. Son of a gun. FLO. It's not going anywhere, isn't it?
I know. Going sideways like that.
Yeah. DXC, I think, is going to be beautiful eventually when it tops out, but it's not there yet. Let's see, go a little bit more. All right, here's the YMM.
Yep.
Waiting on 15-minute. Hopefully it doesn't trigger yet. This NVO, unfortunately, pulling back a little too hard. But we'll see. Let's see the next bar can tell us. Starbucks starting to find a top here. Makes sense, right into this 12 o'clock midday lunch hour. Yeah, either GME is going to be one long, big, long base that drops, or it's going to be one big, long stage one that pops, you know? I'm thinking more to the upside now because of how the moving averages cross back and forth. Kind of want to try it long here. Stage one. And then stage two. Yeah. I'm going with small shares on YMM. I wanted it to trigger, not now, but I wanted it to trigger a little later, unfortunately. It triggered one bar too soon, 15 minutes too soon. And then I think NVO right here is pulling back up. This could be a short.
Well,
We're
guys,
all out of